Yeah, yeah. Whoa, I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that kitty.
So I'm gonna start off by using this L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence since I wanted my skin to be really shiny and dewy throughout the day. So I'm just gonna take 3 to 4 drops and I'm gently patting it into my skin. I have already washed my face and this is the first thing that I'm applying after washing my face. Then to moisturize, I'm using this oil-free moisture from Neutrogena and I'm taking a 1 pump and I will generously apply this onto my face. And as you can see, I am taking my time and blending everything into my face so that my face stays plump and moisturized. Next up, I'm using a sunscreen which is again by Neutrogena since I would be staying out in the sun for a long time, therefore sun protection is necessary. So I'm just gonna dot my face with the sunscreen and apply it nicely. So after the sunscreen is done, I just waited for around 10 to 15 minutes and then I'm gonna start off by applying primer. This is by Lakme and I'm just gonna use 4 dots of this on my face, and this gives a really nice base for the makeup, and the makeup also looks really smooth and lasts a really long time. So I'm just gonna apply the primer. Now it's time for concealer, so I am using the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and I'll conceal all my problematic areas, all the darkness that I have on my face. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am going to tap the concealer into my face. Make sure you take your time to blend this in because you don't want your face to look cakey or chalky, so make sure you take your time. Then I'm again using a little more concealer for some extra coverage, and I'm using my finger because the beauty blender tends to soak up the product. So now I'm gonna set my face with this powder by Innisfree. I'm not gonna set my entire face since I am going for a dewy glowy look. I'm just gonna conceal the areas that I tend to get creases in, which is under my eyes and my smile lines, basically some of the areas that I just concealed. Now I'm using this blush by Faces Canada and I'm gonna use this blush as an eyeshadow. If you want, you can also use any other nude shades, but I just prefer using my blush as an eyeshadow. Next, I applied a thin eyeliner and now I'm gonna coat my eyelashes with mascara. So I'm gonna apply 3 to 4 coats so that my lashes look really thick and luscious. Now it's time for my brows, so I'm using the Nykaa Brow Girl pencil. I am going to comb through my brows first and then fill in all the sparse spaces that I have in my brows. Take your time with your brows because a good brow can make your look and a bad brow can break your look. So just take your time and fill it in patiently. So once my brows are done, it's time for blush. I'm using the same blush that I used as an eyeshadow. I'm gently applying it all over my cheeks and also the tip of my nose. Next up, it's time for highlighter. I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Rose Gold, and this is my favorite highlighter ever. Just applying it on the regular points, which is under my eyebrows, on the inner corner of my eyes, my bridge of the nose, my tip of the nose, and the cheekbones. The glow that this highlighter gives is insane. I really like it because the glow looks natural, yet it looks so good. It looks like you're glowing from within. I absolutely love this highlighter and I highly recommend using it. So here I got a little obsessed with my highlighted face and I'm just don't know what I'm doing. So next up I'm going to line my upper water line, if that is what it's called. What is it called? Just let me know in the comments below. So I'm just gonna line it. It makes your lashes look more thick and fuller, so that's what I'm gonna do. Next up I'm using this white kajal pencil and I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline. This kajal pencil was really chalky for some reason, I don't really know, but nonetheless it gave a good effect on my eyes. Now I'm gonna fix my makeup using this makeup fixer and I'm just gonna spray it 4 to 5 times and let it sit for around a minute. It gives an instant glow and my makeup lasted for the entire day. I absolutely love it. So I just applied a lipstick and I am just roughly curling my hair. I did not really curl all of my hair because I was rolling really late, and also I have short layers in my hair, so it was kind of difficult to curl. So I'm just curling the pieces that I got hand of. So that is the final look, you guys. Just let me know what you think of this look. It lasted me for the entire day, legit the entire day. I was roaming around on the streets, I was under the sun, I was wearing a mask, but my makeup did not budge. I really love this look. So comment down below and let me know how you think this look turned out, and I hope you enjoyed this video.